This is a leather sling bag, fantastic for undercover work. It's got an embedded 1080p camera right here. It's got Wi-Fi built in. It comes with a 5-hour battery, but it's upgradable to a 50-hour battery. And also included, of course, is our custom SpyCentre user guide. As you can see, you get your 1080p camera right here. You open up this front pouch, and this is where the equipment is. So you basically would take, this is the 5-hour battery, you plug it in, only do it one way, and you have the spot here for your SD card. It can hold up to 128 gigabyte, and then you flip this onto the red dot and they're on, ready to go. 5 hours of recording. Once powered on, the rest of the setup is on your phone. Download the AllCam 365 app. Once you launch it, make a free account. Tap the plus, tap scan QR code, and then scan the QR code on the bottom of the device. Next, you'll show the QR code that's on your phone to the camera that's in your new hidden device. Wait for a minute, it'll recognize and automatically load. Once you've added that, you can tap into the live stream, you can review recordings, you can change all the settings. With this camera, you can expect full 1080p HD video with an embedded camera that captures 90-degree field of view. If you want to check out this product, go to SpyCentre.com or give us a call at 800-292-7748.